everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another product review for you guys, and this is one that I was pretty excited for. Today's product is the Roen Beauty VowBrow eyebrow pencil, and this actually just came out like maybe a month ago, if that. But I picked it up during the Sephora holiday sale online because none of the local Sephoras carry the Roen brand in store, so I picked this up online. I was really excited for this because it is a clean beauty eyebrow pencil, and as far as I know, there's only like maybe one or two other eyebrow pencils that are clean beauty. So I was really excited for this one. VowBrow comes in 3 different shades, light, medium, and dark, and they are $26 each. I picked up the light shade, which I am a little nervous about because I don't know how well it will match with my brow color. But to be honest, on their website and on their Instagram, it was a little bit difficult for me to figure out which shade matched my brow color best, because all of their photos of like their swatches on the models, they were all kind of like filtered and hazy. I was sort of like, I could match with the light, but I could also match with the medium. But overall, I just decided to go with the light and see how that works, because my eyebrows are pretty light to begin with. Like they're a light brown color. So this is the brow pencil. It looks really nice. I like the white packaging. In comparison to my other brow pencils I have, it is pretty much the same size as the Senna Sketch Brow, and then it's definitely thinner than the Anastasia Brow Definer. But I'm really excited to try this one. So a little bit of info on it. It says, VowBrow is the perfect brow pencil to help you achieve any brow shape. Tested by an artist on different brows, shapes, and skin tones, and made for you to use every day. Easily define, fill, and shape. VowBrow's fine 1.7mm tip and firm formula allows for a precise application, assisting you in making natural hair strokes. Use the spoolie brush to help groom and blend. VowBrow comes in 3 shades that work on all skin tones, always made with clean ingredients that don't compromise on the performance. So the reason that there's 3 shades, light, medium, and dark, is because the founder, who is also a makeup artist, Nikki DeRoast, she figured that through her years of experience, she only really used like 3 different shades of brow color on people of all skin tones. So I actually do agree with that, because as a makeup artist, whenever I'm doing people's eyebrows, I really don't go through many colors. Like I use a taupe for sure on like most people. I have like a blonde in my kit for lighter brow colors, and then I have like a darker shade, and then I also have like a more auburn tone. But for the most part, I really don't vary in the eyebrow colors that I use on people. So I do agree with that, and that definitely helps to make it a little bit easier, because with some of these brands, there's so many different brow colors, and it's like, well, I could be this one, but I could be this one, but maybe I'm that one, you know? It's a little hard to decide. So like I said, I picked the light one, which it says light is for blonde, gray hair, or light brown hair. Medium is for light brown or brown hair, or dark hair if you're trying to go lighter. And then dark is for dark brown hair and black hair. It also says for red, auburn, or copper hair to choose between light or medium, depending on how dark your hair is, which is also another reason why I went with light, because it seemed a little bit more on the warm side compared to the medium, which seemed a little bit more cool toned. I know I'm blonde, but naturally my hair is in between like a red, blonde, light brown. Like I have a really weird, like warm, light brown blonde color, if that makes sense. I have a lot of red through my hair because I have red hair in my family like lineage, so I do pull a lot of redness from that. That's why I picked the light, because it seemed a little bit more warm toned than the medium, which seemed more like ashy cool toned. So the great thing about this pencil is it's vegan, it's cruelty free, and it's gluten free also for those of you that have gluten sensitivities. You don't have to worry about that. So this is what the pencil tip looks like. And it's a pretty like fine pencil. I mean, definitely in comparison to my Anastasia pencil, I mean, it's a pretty big difference, you know? So I'm excited to use this one. So let's go ahead and test this. It also has the spoolie end on the other side. So that's nice because, you know, always brush your brows up and out and get them into the best shape. So right now I don't have any brow products in or anything, so This is just like my natural color. It's like pretty light, as you can tell. It's like a very light brown color. I'm just gonna go ahead and start on this brow and fill it in. So brows are definitely one of my favorite features to do. It really defines your eyes and it really defines your face. I love brows, and I've always been a big fan of getting mine done and filling them in. So far, I'm really liking how this pencil is working. I do wish it was slightly larger of a tip because I like that brow definer type of pencil. I think it's so much quicker and easier to use, but I don't mind this. This is really great for making the tiny hair strokes. So I do really like this. All right, so here's the first brow done. I think it looks really good. I really like it. It doesn't feel waxy on my eyebrows or anything like that. It feels just like my hair. So I really like the texture of it. It's not too weird feeling. Sometimes I've tried eyebrow pencils and it kind of leaves a waxy feeling, but this one doesn't. It gets right in there. It really defines, and it looks really natural too. I like that. I like it a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. This brow I find is so much easier to fill in because it's just a nicer brow. This one I always struggle with because it's just slightly different than this one. So this one's always been easier to fill in. Do you guys have that? Do you have a brow that's just a little bit easier than the other one? Comment down below and let me know which one. So this is my other brow finished. It looks really nice. All of my sparse areas are filled in. They're soft. They are movable, you know? Sometimes I see the people with the brow pomades and I feel you can't move your eyebrows with stuff like that, but you can easily move your brows around with this. I really liked this pencil. It's definitely comparable to my Senna and my Anastasia pencils. I would say it's right up the same alley. It doesn't feel like it's any different just because it's clean beauty, so I really like that. It seems like it's going to be long lasting. I mean, I'm touching my eyebrows and nothing's coming off, so that's a good sign. I'm really glad that I went with the light shade because it matches my brow hairs perfectly, and I feel like if I went with medium, it would have been too dark. So I am super happy with this, and I can't wait to see what else Roen comes out with. As you may know, I'm already a fan of their shadows. I have the 2 disco single shadows, which I love. I have Summer Disco on right now. It's that and the regular disco are 2 of my favorite things ever. I wear them almost every single day. This is only their second product to come out with because all they have other than this are some eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes. And so I'm super excited to see what else they come out with in the following months and the following years. And I saw on their Instagram they did a shoot with Rosie Huntington-Whiteley and they used a new shadow palette. So I can't wait for that to come out because that is on my list. So yeah, if you are a brow girl like I am, I think that you'll definitely like this. I know there's only a couple other clean brow products on the market. I haven't tried them yet, but I am interested in trying the one from Eco Brow. That's more of the brow definer shape from Anastasia, where it's the angled, thicker pencil. I do definitely like that style of pencil better, but I don't mind this. I thought it was really good. It definitely creates the feathered brow look, with making individual hair strokes. That's what these small tips are for. So if you like doing that like individual stroke, I think you'll definitely like these pencils. I hope that you guys liked this and found it informative. And if you're gonna check these out, let me know in the comments. Or if there's another clean brow product that you use, let me know in the comments too, because I'm always looking for new clean products. Once again, I hope that you liked this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, because I'd love for you to join me in my little clean, cruelty-free community. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!